YouTube, what's going on? Skylar is back on the video, and today we are taking a little trip. We are going to pick up a new Renegade 1000, and we're buying it cash.
So as you can see out here, we just have our XXC 1000R. The XMR is missing because
we sold it. So we are making a last minute trip, 3 hours to go buy a Renegade 1000R XXC. Yes. Last minute, they're in the work week. This is just one of those deals that you can't miss, you can't pass up. So we're jumping on it and we're getting it done. We got it for a really good price, really good deal, and we're not letting it go. When this happens, you jump just like we are.
So here we are, going up. A nice trip.
A nice, wonderful trip among us. A nice, wonderful trip.
We got the ramps in the back. We got, let's see if we can unlock this. We got some ratchet straps. We got my boy here for the ride with Dad. Got our map going.
We're gonna go get ourselves some fuel in here. So we got our fuel for the trip. Right, Grayson?
Yeah.
Look at the snow. Don't you just love Ohio, brother? Shot of the truck.
Oh wow, I wonder who I thank for that. Alright, well now we're ready to hit the dusty old trail. It's literally, like I said, it's mid-work week, man, and we're making this trip to go get this quad because that's how good of a freaking deal it is. And we're paying cash for it. And if you guys haven't seen, we have some unfortunate news for the channel. We sold the 850 XMR Renegade, the red one. We sold it. It's gone. Somebody gave us an offer for it. And like I tell everybody, everything's got a price tag on it. I guess not everything, but material items do. This is what I'm talking about, man. We are crazy. This is why you should be subscribed to the channel, because this is the type of, man. We're picking up a new Renegade 1000 in the middle of a freaking blizzard. It's March. What is going on? I guess it's Ohio weather, right? This is you know, this is what we should expect. But yeah, this is nuts. We're not gonna be home till after midnight. So this is gonna be an awesome vlog. So hopefully you guys hang along the entire time because this is gonna be interesting. So supposedly this Renegade's got some aftermarket stuff done as well. It's got some new wheels set up. It's got an RJWC exhaust. It's got a tuner. So I'm hoping, I mean, my 1000R XXC is a wheelie machine. This thing should be like ×2 of mine.
So it's currently 1:57. We're still an hour and a half away from home.
We're exhausted, man. We're exhausted, but check it out.
We got her. She's here. She's in the car. Oof. 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 She is here. So during the process, we got this nice piece of wood because one of my freaking ramps decided to snap on me.
Isn't that just phenomenal?
So hell yeah, we are on our way back home.
Still an hour and a half to go. It's been a hell of a trip, but
there she is.
Just get it.
Boom! There she is.
We finally made it back. So it's the next day, guys, and that was a
hell of a trip. I mean, literally, our freaking ramp snaps when we get down there, right? Our ramp literally broke at the freaking bolts. Right there, 2 pieces. Supposed to look like this one. Snaps. Piece of shit.
Anyways, next, I'll buy a new one.
But this is the beast. This is the unit that we drove 3.5 hours for. It was like a 7-hour, 8-hour round trip. We got back at about 4 in the morning, and it is a beaut. So it's got a tuner on it.
It has a switch on.
So might need a little bit of TLC, but you know, other than that, it is a 1000. So it is the same size as that. And yeah, we are very, very excited and pleased. So let me show you how she sounds. Excited. She's pretty naked. But anyways, we appreciate you guys for watching. Check out all the other videos, all the other content. We put out content almost every day. So hell yeah, brother. We'll see you next time.